How to find someone's location by their phone number. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, this is extremely simple. You can go ahead and do this method on your mobile devices or on your Windows computer. In my case, I'm doing it on my web browser right here on my desktop, and basically all you have to do is to open up your browser, and once inside, you basically want to search for Truecaller. Truecaller is a smartphone application that has a feature of caller ID, call blocking, flash messaging, call recording, and voice by using the internet. Now you simply want to go ahead and click on the Truecaller website right here, which is truecaller.com, and from here, if you want to go ahead and find someone's location by their phone number, you can just go ahead and type their number right here and their address will pop up. Now, due to security reasons, I'm not going to input any number right here, but basically all you have to do is to head over to this website right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.